What's up everyone, we're doing a quick video today. Today I'm setting up all the equipment I bought to protect my electronics from brownouts here in the Philippines. Brownouts happen here a lot, sometimes scheduled, but most of the time it's random. Over time, your electronics get damaged and eventually stop working one day. And as someone who works from home, it's super important that I keep all my equipment protected so I don't have to suddenly buy a brand new TV or a PC. So here's what I'm working with. All my gear is from CyberPower except for 2 of my mini UPS units. For my PC, I went with the CyberPower 1600. It's got 1600 VA, 1000 watt capacity, pure sine wave with a built-in AVR and an LCD unit. This covers my PC, my dual monitors, and all my peripherals. I don't expect it to keep my PC running during the brownout, but just long enough so I can save my work and shut down properly. In the living room, I've got the CyberPower 1000 AVR. It handles just the TV and the soundbar and maybe a PS5 in the future. For my internet, I have 2 mobile power mini UPS units. They're 10,400 mAh each, one powering the nav mesh and the other powers the modem. These should keep my internet running in the living room even while we wait out the brownout. For the fridge, I've got the CyberPower 1500 AVR. It has an extra 500 VA, which gives me enough buffer for when the compressor kicks in. Sometimes the startup surge can fry AVRs if they're too weak. Links to everything I use are in the description. They're affiliate links, so clicking them helps the channel a bit at no extra cost to you. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe for more real-life guides to living in the Philippines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.